What is up? Welcome back to another video. We are headed out to a car meet. We got Mason right here in the Scat Pack. It's a little different view in here for me today. We are in the Tesla Model 3 2025. Shelby just went into the shop and the AMG SL63 just sold today. So the AMG SL63 actually was a lemon buyback. So Mercedes actually bought the car back because it went into the shop 3 times in a row with, I think it was a consecutive of like 2 weeks of being in the shop. And for the same problem, it was electrical problems. It kept dying every time it was parked. They kind of couldn't figure out what was going on with it. So they ended up buying the car back for full price for what we had it as. Well, that was a really good deal because we ended up having it for like about 6 months, give or take. And full price bought back, so not a bad deal. Now for the Shelby, what ended up happening is I'll throw up a video right here on the screen. And what you just saw was basically every time I was gonna go to start the Shelby up, I pushed the clutch in, I'd hit the start button, and it would just try to start up forever, and it wouldn't stop itself. And I would have to stop it myself and then release the clutch and clutch back in and start it, and then it would eventually turn on. So I ended up sending it to the shop, and they ended up coming back to me and basically saying it needed a new fuel pump. And that's gonna take about a week to get the fuel pump because the closest one to me, and I'm in Florida, the closest one to me is actually gonna be in Georgia. So we had to expedite the shipping. So it should be here within about a week. I've got a couple other parts coming for the Shelby as well, so that should be really cool. But for now, we are gonna be in the Tesla. And there goes Mason. We are on our way to a car meet down in Tampa, Armature Works. They're having a car meet at a garage parking up at the top, so it should be really cool.
This is the right way.
I don't know, let it rip though. Let's go, keep it going. Let's go, just pulled up in the Tesla, found Mason in the parking lot. All right, we're gonna hop in. Dang, check out the Christmas lights on the M4. Dude, I've seen videos and like people take like 12 hours to make something like that.
I know.
That's crazy. All right, got the new bumper on.
That is,
What are those?
that's
That little indents.
The front plate lights.
Was that on your last one?
The stock one had it. Yeah.
That was on your last one? Oh, dang. Looks good though.
I know, right? The gaps are like.
It lines up pretty good.
I know, the gaps aren't bad. The biggest gap is probably right here.
Right there?
But it's
You
like
can't
not-
even
it's
see
not
anything,
that
dude.
bad, yeah.
It looks perfectly fine. Dude, these are so sick. I love those. Holy crap, something's loud in there. So clean. Crazy color. Was it like a purple?
Look at the red carbon.
It's like a purple, right?
Yeah.
It was like a, yeah.
Yeah, look at the red carbon.
Oh, with the red carbon in there. I don't even think you can see it. Oh yeah, there you go. You can see it a little bit. Yeah, that looks really clean.
Put a light on. Check that out. That's
Dude, that's so sick. That's really clean. Oh my God, that sounds so good. That chop. Dude,
so loud.
that's great. Check out the front end on this thing. The Gallardo, but this is even cooler. Holy. I think it's probably so loud too. When I was driving.
Dude's gotta be.
Imagine. Jeez. Super clean interior. Oh my gosh. This thing is so mean. It's like the baby version and then the big dog right here. So sick. Dude, look at this color and then look at the turbo in there. Oh my God. So sick. That's really clean. All right, what are you taking? Big turbo M3? Or are you taking the 570?
570.
Really?
Dude, no hesitation. Bro, that's what you turn around in there.
Probably taking the M3 though. Only because I think it'd be more thrill of a drive with that big turbo, dude. It'd be crazy.
But it's a supercar. A McLaren's a supercar. What do you mean?
I don't
And
know.
they're so fast.
I think I'd rather whoop it in a straight line with the big
In a
turbo.
family sedan.
Yeah, and I got like friends in the back and everything, dude. Destroying you. What is this? Dude, it looks like a shoe. It's
Under
this.
the BBS?
It's literally the shape of a shoe. On the BBSs. That's pretty cool. All right, what do you guys think? The ZL1 blue or this M3 blue? Which would look better on the GT350 if I had to wrap it? Let me know. Which one? 675 LT, super clean and like a matte white. Got the wing up in the back. Dude, that's crazy.
That's what I need.
Look at this Mustang. Look what I just seen. Holy. That's crazy. Super clean. I like that color. The big tire on the back. That's fire with the carbon trunk. Oh, those are so sick. I don't know if it'd look good on the Shelby though, but it looks sick on this. It works really well. That diffuser on the back with like the fins coming down. That used to be the thing back in like, what was it, like probably 2016 or something like that. That used to be like, everybody had that on their Mustang. These little fins on the back, that diffuser. That's so funny. Just pulled up to do some pictures. We got the Scat right here. Tesla, we're parked on the side of the road. Crazy good looking spot though at the road and the bridges up here. Love the spot. So we're gonna get some quick flicks real quick. Try not to get hit by any cars coming through. Check it out, looks pretty clean. All right, we're on our way home from the meet, but quick hack, if you ever got a flat tire like I have right now in the Tesla, you pull up to a Costco, they've got free fill-up stations where you can actually put some air in your tire for free. So little hack, I'm gonna do that real quick. It says all the tires are actually low in this thing by about 5 PSI. So we're gonna put that in real quick. But on that note, I think we're gonna end the video off. Quick video today, you know, just went to the car meet, saw some cool stuff, rode down with Mason, took some pics of his car down there. But really, recap, Shelby's in the shop. We're waiting for a fuel pump to come in. We're hoping that's gonna be the solution to the no start problem, and the SL63, that is now gone. That was bought back by Mercedes, so we won't be seeing that car anymore. I will see you guys in the next one.